Attachment is like a suffering that you give to yourself when you hold tightly onto something or someone that no longer serve you or the things that aren't good for you. And you know that very well. But still you throw yourself in the dark alley of fear, judgment, pain and anxiety. Life is full of changes. You lose and meet new people. There is always a shift in the outcomes that you wish for. Or maybe sometimes you just stuck in a situation for too long. But deep down, we all want to escape the situations. And maybe that's why I'm here. So, how can we escape this situation? To escape this situation, you need to learn the art of detachment. I know you must have heard about it, you must have thought about it yourself, but most of us misunderstood the concept of detachment. We act cool, or maybe we just isolate ourselves from the world in order to protect ourselves from the hurt that we are causing to ourselves from holding expectations on everything, on everyone, or maybe just do that specific thing or a specific person, who knows. But let me tell you what detachment is and how to learn the art of detachment. But before you learn the art of detachment, you need to understand what detachment is. So, detachment is a state where you are free from any fear, any judgment, and you just don't hold on to something that is hurting you. You set yourself free from expectations, from fears, from judgment, from pain and suffering. You live life just the way you want to, but with awareness. So, here is how to learn the art of detachment. The thing that you need to learn are very basic things. So, the first thing is that you need to become aware of your emotions without being judgmental about them. It's okay if you are feeling sad, it's okay if you are feeling angry. Don't just jump on the idea of good or bad. That if I'm feeling this way, it's bad. If I'm feeling this way, it's good. Just become aware of your emotions. And the second thing is that you need to do is don't control everything. Don't try to control anything. Don't try to control the results that you want. You can't change it. And that's the reality you need to face. That's the reality that you need to accept. Controlling things is going to make it worse for you. It will make you suffer even more. So don't do it. And the last thing that, I mean, not the last, but yeah, last for this video. You need to accept yourself just the way you are. It doesn't matter if you care for people too deeply, if you get attached with people too deeply, it's okay, it's completely fine. Accept yourself just the way you are. But learn to value yourself, learn to value your emotions. Don't waste it on the people or on the thing that don't deserve it, because this way you are only going to hurt yourself even more. And what's the point of living if you can't accept yourself just the way you are? You are wasting your potential on the things that aren't good for you. You can love too deeply without getting hurt if you love the right people, if you love the right things in your life, and you need to find that yourself. I know it's going to take time, but just don't lose hope, and we will see each other in another video. Bye bye, take care.